to make coconut milk and lemon juice treatment at home for hair growth. For this treatment, you will need the following ingredients: 4 tablespoons of coconut milk, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and a shower cap. Directions: mix the coconut milk and lemon juice in a bowl and refrigerate this mixture for 4 hours. Now, apply it to your scalp and hair, and leave it on for 45 minutes. Then, cover your hair with the shower cap to avoid a mess. Later, rinse the mixture with shampoo. For best results, you have to apply this hair mask once a week. Note: the coconut milk might curdle a bit. This does not mean it has perished or its effectiveness has reduced. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C. It helps reduce dandruff and cleanses the scalp thoroughly. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.